I am here today with a wig that I just recently reviewed, but I have her in a color that I've never shown. So today we're going to do a color spotlight of the color Cinder Toffee from the Alexander Couture Collection. Let's learn. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here with Chiquel to bring you this color spotlight video of Cinder Toffee from the Alexander Couture Collection and tell you all about Chiquel because they're a great online retailer that carry all the major name brands, and I definitely think you should check them out. They are wonderful. They have tons and tons of sales. They do an open box clearance section on their website where you can save some money. They do live sales every single week, sometimes 50 to 60% off the wigs that Amanda is showing during those lives. Incredible. And she's usually on for a couple of hours, shows tons and tons of wigs. They have a name your own price feature at the website where you can maybe snag a wig at a cheaper price than even the best coupon code will get it for you. So much going on. They also have some in-person wig shops in the US as well as Canada. They have online stores in the UK, Canada, and the US. So check them out. I'll put a link below and a coupon code that will save you money. All right. Time to learn about this color. Now, they have described this color as toffee upon toffee. All right, so basically, this is kind of an auburn, in my opinion, like a light auburn color. There is a bunch of sort of burnt toffee, fudge blonde. I mean, these are all their descriptions. Milk chocolate, deep golden blonde. It is absolutely more of an auburnish, a blonde, a reddish blonde. So a blonde is just a blend of a blonde and a brown. It's sort of that in-between color. And I would say this is like that, a reddish blonde. It's definitely leaning toward the auburn. We definitely have some blonde highlights, as you can see. And it is rooted. So for us brunettes, we've got a root that allows us to potentially wear this lighter color. I don't really see brunette in this color aside from the brown root. I do see blondes, I do see reds, maybe leaning a little strawberry in some cases. It's a light color. It's kind of, if you're thinking of, you know, light brown, dark blonde, I mean, I would say it's sort of in between there, but it's so very reddish. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. It's beautiful. If you love your light reds, it's almost like an orangey auburn in some light. So, you know, I wouldn't call it orange. It's not like Halloween color of any sort, but that sort of leaning that way, if that makes sense. That's what I think of when I see this color. Let's see what we see outside. And here is this beautiful color in direct sunlight. See that rooting. Oh, I should have put sunglasses on. So pretty. As you know, I prefer cloudy days just because I think direct sunlight can really bring out tones that you don't see in most lighting. Not that it's wrong, it's just every different type of lighting will show you color in a different way. So it is what it is. But there you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.